Square root of 45 minus 3 times square root of 20 plus 4 times square root of 5. We have to simplify it. So square root of 45, we can write it as 5 times 9 under square root minus 3 times square root of 20 as 5 times 4 under square root plus 4 times square root of 5. Now when a times b is under nth root, then this is equal to nth root of a times nth root of b. So this we can write here as square root of 5 times square root of 9 minus 3 times square root of 5 times square root of 4 plus 4 times square root of 5, or square root of 9 is 3, so 3 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 4 is 2, then square root of 5 plus 4 times square root of 5. Now we can take square root of 5 as common. Now 3 times square root of 5 minus 6 times square root of 5 plus 4 times square root of 5. Now we can take square root of 5 as common. 3 minus 6 plus 4. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. So it is square root of 5 times 1 is equal to square root of 5. This is how we simplify the radicals. To further find the answer, you can put the value of square root of 5 and can find the answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.